ton of it.
Look at it. Yeah.
She's got a bit of hair, but not quite that much.
I'll filter up some.
Nice to meet you. I like the stars of the here. You know why? Because your mommies walked around out to here like forever, going, please, just let us have babies. I can't believe you had him 3 days. I can't believe it either. I'm telling you, I was in labor and I'm like, please tell me you had a baby. Please, please.
I think you had him on the day that they would have made us do it.
Wednesday morning at 5:53.
Yeah, that was our cutoff. They wouldn't let us go any further than Wednesday.
I was thinking about it on Monday, knowing that you'd had your appointment. I'm like, I wonder what happened.
I felt so bad the one day when I was driving home and I came around the corner and you're there with the dog and I was like, you're still pregnant, no.
Look at this little thing. Holy cow.
I know.
Sorry. Look at this thing.
The other side of it.
There you go. There's more like the height that you think that we should have.
Yeah.
She's like, I can't sit down with this swing.
These are thanks to Sunshine. She had like 150